Paneer bread pakoras take me back to my school days. Stopping by at a trusted street stall to enjoy piping hot pakoras was a mini party. So excited to show you the recipe today. For making the potato stuffing for the bread pakora, I have here 4 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes. Add into this 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, salt as per taste, half teaspoon ginger paste, 2 tablespoon chopped coriander. Let's mix the spices in the mashed potatoes. The pakora stuffing is ready. For making the batter for the pakoras, I am taking 2 cups of gram flour or besan. Add 3 tablespoons of rice flour, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. I am adding water to this in batches to make a lump-free batter. Let's whisk. The consistency of the batter will be medium thick consistency, neither too thick nor too thin. Perfect. For assembling 3 bread pakoras, I have taken 6 bread slices, green chutney made out of coriander and green chilies, the potato stuffing we made, and 3 paneer slices. Using all these components, we will be assembling the pakora. I have here 2 bread slices. Let's apply the green chutney on both of them. Next, apply the potato stuffing. Spread it evenly on the slices. Keep the paneer slice on one of the slices. On top of that, keep the other slice. Press it gently. Let's cut it into half. So, this is how the sandwiched bread looks. In the same way, I have prepared all the slices. Dip a sandwich in the besan batter. And drop it in oil on medium flame. Let's fry this till golden brown. This bread pakora is fried. Similarly, we will do the rest. The bread pakoras are fried. Have them hot with some ketchup or chutney and I promise you are in for a treat. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.